Hello everyone, welcome to this series. We are looking at how to protect our forms using Google Recaptcha. So we've looked at Fluent Forms, we looked at WP Forms, we looked at Ninja Form, also looked at Contact Form 7. Now we're going to be looking at the last one, which is Forminator. So for Forminator, we add new plugin, and then when we add plugin, we go to search for Forminator, and when we do, we're going to see Forminator here. This one, install now, and then when it's done installing, we can now activate. Now it's done installing, I can now activate. If I click to activate, it's going to bring me to Forminator where I can customize the form. So after installing, I'm going to see Forminator here, and then also on the left hand panel I'm going to see Forminator somewhere here. So this is Forminator. If I click on Forminator, I'm going to see the forms that we have available, so I can choose from them. Let's say view all template, or let's click on forms. Let's see the one that they've made available already for us. Add new form, contact form, which and just create the form here. Let's create the form. It's going to create, and then this is first name, email address, phone number. So let's copy the shortcode. Let's publish. When we're done publishing, we're going to copy the shortcode and then put it into our site. Put it into our site here, and when I publish, it's going to show me a different site, or a different form rather. Now edit form, this is Forminator, first name, email, phone number, message, and then submit. But this is without protection, is without Recaptcha protection. So how do we add Recaptcha protection to our site with Forminator form? So we go to settings, click on settings, and then when you click on settings, you go to captcha, this one here. And when you do, you're going to see the options that you have available. Captcha, yeah, so V2, V2 invisible, and then V3. But we're going for the V2 checkbox where we want them to check I'm not a robot. So I'm going to go back to our Recaptcha. Of course, this link is going to be in the show notes below. So submit this and then copy this site key. Go back to this place, paste the site key, copy the secret key, so paste, and then when I'm done, I'm going to save the settings. Now one more thing we're going to do, because it's not going to show now, is to go back to the form where we have the form and edit the form. So this is where we have the form, so click on edit, and when we are done editing, I'm going to go to add new form fields, then look for captcha. This is captcha here, and when I'm done, I'm going to insert fields. Insert to the right and apply. To the right and apply. So let's publish this change, then go back to this place. Let's remove the 9 and replace it back. Publish. Go to contact us and then refresh. Let's see if it's going to appear now. Awesome, it appears immediately. So with this, it shows that our site is now being protected. Now let's test it and see if it's going to work, that if we can bypass the I'm not a robot. Click on this and then go back to the contact us form. So let's put wisdom, Mila Creative, and then a phone number, message, no, not you, message testing. Now without clicking on I'm not a robot, let's submit and see. Okay, let's impute this again, Mila. Okay, phone number, let's test this, submit. Invalid captcha. But if I click on it to see I'm not a robot and then I submit, now it's going to go automatically. Thank you for contacting us, we'll be in touch shortly. So that's how to protect your Forminator from using Google Recaptcha. I hope this video was very valuable to you, and all the videos we've been doing on how to select or protect your form from bot and spam messages using Google Recaptcha. Now if you found all of this interesting, you want to check out the full video course on Introduction to WordPress for Beginners. You can check it out here. See you next time. Bye.